Hello friends, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video, we will see how to fix the center alignment issue in Word file after converting from PDF. So here you can see I'm converting the PDF in Word file. So you can see the Word file is ready here. So we will open here and you will see the title of the page. If you are trying to move it, it's showing it's a central alignment, it is not moving, or it is alignment, it's not showing properly. So while I am trying to pulling it out, it's showing resistance in pulling from both sides. So to remove this error, what to do? First you have to select this and give it a border, so you come to know where it has border. So if you are pulling this again, it is not moving and it is not showing any alignment. So to remove this error, you have to go in view tab, and in that you have to select the ruler. Now you will see the ruler scale below the tab interface and above the page, and here you have to move this. So while you pull this, you can easily align all the content centrally. Now already it has got its alignment. Now you have to select this again, go home tab, here you have to select the central alignment. Now you can see it is already aligned. Now it is divided in two different rows, so you have to align it singularly. So you have to select this and align it centrally. Now you can see it is completely aligned with the whole page. Now you have to select and remove the border. So now border is not visible. So this is how you can centrally remove the error and you can arrange alignment of the content.